Hey everyone, so we're going to make an adorable little tic-tac-toe game for a Father's Day gift or a birthday gift. So all we need is 2 different colors of polymer clay and 2 pieces of felt, ideally blue and white felt. Then you need a glue gun and a toothpick. So first we're going to make 5 little fish pieces for player 1 out of this brown clay. So just roll a small piece of clay between your hands to make a small marble shape. And then you can use your kid's fingerprint or toe print to press onto the ball of clay like this. Then you're going to take a toothpick to split the end into 2 pieces to make a forked tail or a split tail. And then you can just use your fingers to bring each tail to a point. So now we'll use the toothpick to create a hole for the eye through the fish. And then your kid can use the toothpick to create some little designs or draw some scales onto the fish, like engraving them into the clay. So we'll do this for 5 fish in total, and then very gently place them on a baking sheet that you have covered with aluminum foil. So now we're going to create the player 2 pieces and we're going to make fish hooks. So this time we'll take silver or gray polymer clay and roll it between our hands into a snake shape with a pointed top. So use your finger as a guide if you want, or your kid can do this, and wrap the clay around it to make a hook shape. You can also kind of twist the end so it almost has a screw shape, and then just trim off any excess clay. So it should look something like this, but again, it does not have to be perfect. So you'll create 5 hooks in total for player 2, because for tic-tac-toe we need 10 game pieces. So now put the hooks on the tray along with the fish pieces. So the baking instructions may vary depending on your type of clay, so make sure to check your clay instructions. In my case, I preheated the oven to 130 degrees Celsius and I baked the clay pieces for 20 minutes. So make sure to check on them frequently so they don't get burnt or overheat, and if they do, you can always paint over them. So now we're going to create our game board out of felt. So we'll cut the blue felt into a lake shape, so it's like the fish are swimming. And then cut 4 different strips of white felt to make the crisscross pattern. And then just hot glue these pieces on the board. So once your clay pieces are fully cooked, take them out of the oven and just make sure they have completely cooled down before you touch them or handle them. And so once they're cool, you can get ready to test out your tic-tac-toe game. And you can also roll up the little game board and put the pieces and the game board in a little bag to give to your dad or your father for a gift, or to anyone who loves fishing. And because we have the holes in the fish eyes, they can also be added to string if someone wanted to have a little keepsake of their child's fingerprint or toe print fish on their keychain, or as a little Christmas ornament, or whatever you want. So this is just such a cute little simple gift idea, and also so fun because, your kid can give this to their dad and then play a couple games with them afterwards. So it's like an interactive gift and the dads will love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and make sure to subscribe for more fun craft ideas like this one. See you next time, and happy Father's Day!